In this video, you'll learn full update about Bitcoin, fundamental data, technical analysis, goals for a bigger period of time. And we start right now. My friend, pay attention, it will take few minutes, but I'll share with you all economic data. I'll share with you all the most important data that will give you a full picture what's going on with Bitcoin and also with other crypto market. Let's start. I have only one ask: to push like, subscribe and turn on the bell to get updates in the future and to help grow our project. Thank you. At this moment, as you can see, Bitcoin got dropped really hard and by 53%, and most of the people at this moment ask a question: is it a time to that market change it trend and there would be a big bear market, or we are at the beginning of a bull cycle? Let's start and let's find out. First, I would like to share with you fundamental data that I already published inside in our VIP room, because fundamental analysis on crypto give you a long-term perspective, but for short-term perspective it's important to watch technical analysis. First one, as you can see, take a look, the most important number here, it is as you can see, all stable coins, all exchanges reserves. Take a look, as you can see, during that massive drop, as you can see, what happened? People deposit, as you can see, take a look on these numbers. People deposit, as you can see here, during that massive drop, people deposit from approximately 11 billions to 14, approximately 3 billions of stable coin into crypto exchanges. It is reserves. That means people at the same time people deposit and withdraw stable coins. What is stable coin? It is USDT, USDC, BUSD. It is a crypto that is equal to 1 USD in this case, and most of the people use it as a dollar, but crypto dollar. We have USDT, Tether, USDC, Coinbase, and BUSD, Binance, Free is the biggest one. Take a look on BUSD Binance. As you can see, during the drop, they added massive amount of coins. That means it does not, like, for me, it looks nearly the same, my friends, as it happened with our global economy and the United States S&P 500. Take a look. I think you remember previous year and the pandemic. Take a look. Take a look what happened to S&P 500. As you remember, on previous year, it dropped dramatically. But what was the problem? Why the whole market didn't drop dramatically and was in a range like after dot-com crash or after like 2008? Because the biggest reason of that United States printed a lot of money. That's all. Take a look. It is a M3 money supply. Money supply, it is all money in economy. It is your real cash. Credit, it's also a money because it creates a purchase power. Also bonds, stocks, all of that value inside in economy, it is a global M3 money supply. And take a look, when pandemic started, as you can see, United States money supply was 15 trillions, and after that, as you can see, 17. It is only from February till May, my friends, few months, and they create more than 2 trillions. And until this moment, as you can see, additional 2 trillions during this year. And if you compare to how it was before, take a look. That money supply, as you can see, they increase it slowly, and here, boom. That's how it works on bigger scale. And at this moment, I think you agree with me that on crypto market, it looks nearly the same. Take a look, money supply, as you can see, it's increased. That's the reason why at this moment I don't think about global drop, because when money supply increase, it creates inflation. It's the same as economy. My friend, write please in the chat, is it clear for you? Because when I explain, I would be happy that you would understand my thoughts. Maybe sometimes I use words that is not clear. Write in comments, is it good for you? Do you like such deep fundamental analysis of Bitcoin? I know that many of you are looking for analysis like to the moon, but I would like to share with you wisdom. And my friend, Today, I would start a free crypto workshop where I'll teach you how to trade step by step. There would be a link on invitation below on the video in description. It would be step by step. I'll share with you 2 strategies that I personally use. I'll share with you how to trade. It would be live. You will be able to ask any questions. Also, mistakes that most of the traders do. If you will implement everything what I will tell you, at least you will stop losing. At maximum, you will start building your strategy. Join. Remember, it's for free. And there would be a few questions when you will join, answer on it, because for us it's important that people that really interested in crypto will join. That's why what I would like to share with you, my friend, as I told you, because of money supply increase, I don't like, for me, that's the biggest reason why I don't think that we are at the beginning of bear market. Because if it would be a bear market, people would start withdraw money and leave the market. The next one, it is exchanges net flow. Take a look, all exchanges net flow. As you can see here, during these days, people start withdraw far more than depositing. As you can see, there are only small total net flow. Take a look, during biggest drops, as you can see, there was the biggest net flow to exchanges, as you can see even here during the drop. Take a look here on this chart, on this right chart. I think you can see that before that massive uprise, take a look here, when Bitcoin were nearly 10K. Take a look on this massive area where people withdraw far more Bitcoins from exchanges. What does it mean? That when you withdraw Bitcoin from exchange, you cannot put it on exchange and sell it. That's all. That's how it works. For me, what I can tell you, my friend, I would be happy, really happy, if there would be additional few days where people withdraw far more Bitcoins from exchanges that deposit. That would be also a good signal for continued bull market. Also, there only one negative side, as you can see, when Bitcoin started this drop, it started because, as you can see, reserves on exchange start increasing. Why? Because people deposit Bitcoins to exchanges, and they can sell it. That's how it works. What other stuff? Here, the biggest problem only, why I don't like all of that, because as you can see, we have 2 exchanges. It is Coinbase Pro and Bitfinex. It is only 2 exchanges, Bitfinex, where people deposit money. And take a look here, how people sold a lot of Bitcoins. People sold a lot of Bitcoins at the one time here, and after that massive drop. That's how it works. Okay, but also, my friends, sometimes, as you can see, if people deposit a lot of Bitcoins at the bottom, as you can see, for example, like here, people also deposit a lot of Bitcoins at this bottom, but instead of drop, it made after that uprise. Sometimes, if price already drop a lot, depositing, it is not good. It is like, it's not a signal that there would be massive drop. That's why. About fundamental analysis, what I would tell you, my dear friend, at this moment, I think that Bitcoin is not end. Some people, many people, at this moment share this chart of wake of distribution and share this chart to show that there could be like massive drop because of that distribution. But I think that at this moment pullback already happened. And what I think, my friends, as you can see, this massive drop on bottom, also good signals that pullback already happened. Inside in our VIP room, take a look. Inside in our VIP room, I told to buy Bitcoin when it was, as you can see, when it was here, time to buy additional part. As you can see, Bitcoin was at 31,700. I bought it at 32 because I missed missed opportunity here. At this moment, I think that the huge possibility Bitcoin will make at least pull back to this uprise. And I would like to share with you why I think so, only based on technical analysis. As you can see, these 2 massive value areas. My friend, if you watch my previous video on YouTube, you remember when I told these 2 value areas that price will drop until these people would be liquidated. Write in the comments if you remember that time. And at this moment, what I think that with huge possibility, price will make at least retest to this area. Why? Let's come back to why. First one, we have stable coins that people deposit to exchanges. We have money supply increase. Second reason, technical. I would like to share with you why. That could happen with huge possibility. And I personally bought. It is not like, my friends, I don't believe in what I'm talking about. First, I would like to share with you that, as you can see, Bitcoin get dropped by 53%, and it is not a first time in the history when Bitcoin did such massive drop. I would like to share with you other examples when Bitcoin get dropped by 40-50% and what happened after that. As you can see here, take a look. Bitcoin dropped many times in its previous history. Take a look on this massive volume increase. Do you see how 13,000 Bitcoins were traded here? It dropped by 40%. After that, as you can see, they retested this range. They retested this value area, exactly retested. But here's the biggest difference there, that as you can see, they bought it back and they come back inside into that value area. And take a look here. After that, they create this trend line, as you can see, and trend line break up. Another example for you. Take a look here on this situation. They dropped by 33%, and after that, as you can see, rose up so much and so fast. But also, as you can see, also at bottom, really big volumes. As you can see, big volume, big volume. Take a look on this situation. This one even better. As you can see, massive volume, relow, and after the trend line broken, and goodbye to the moon. This one even better, because here price dropped by 40%, and take a look what they did. Within few days, as you can see, they come back, and after that, take a look, squeezing up and breakout pattern. Take a look here, another example for you. They dropped here. Many people, by the way, at this moment share this picture, and share something. This picture here. Take a look. And share and compare 2017 crash with our crash. Only biggest difference, my friends, when you share it. Take a look on massive value area exactly below before Bitcoin, and Bitcoin retested massive value area. That's the biggest difference between what's going on right now. And take a look what happened after that massive uprise. But as you can see, what's the most important part? That what they did, they one wave, second wave, and they retested this massive range, and after that pullback, they retested that massive range, small pullback. As you can see, when Bitcoin, take a look even here, they dropped by 42% here. As you can see, after that Bitcoin rose up, my friends, after that, from this 11,000, Bitcoin rose up by 52%. Imagine 52%. After that, when Bitcoin, as you can see, get dropped by by 70%, it made a pullback 92%. And take a look here. From this high, Bitcoin may drop by 70% to this area, and after that again massive uprise. But as you can see again here, Bitcoin didn't come back really fast. What they did, they pull back, and after that take a look on this massive range here. Take a look also when Bitcoin pulled back here. As you can see, it was the fastest drop, because we were in a bear market. That's why what I would like to summarize to you, as you can see, even after such massive drops, Bitcoin do at least 50% pullback, 30. That's the reason why I think a retest of this area is really possible. Also, I would tell you that after 70% drop, in most cases, it is one of the best places to buy Bitcoin, because take a look here, two situations. 70% drop, 92% after that uprise. Here, take a look from this high. As you can see, from this high, from this high, it is 70% drop, and after that, my friends, massive uprise. That's why at this moment, what I can tell you, I personally bought Bitcoin at 32. At 45, I will close at least half even maybe 60% of my position on Bitcoin. If that means I will be out of risk, because I bought not only Bitcoin, I bought many different coins. If that would be a drop to 70%, all that money that I booked here, I would put into Bitcoin, and my average price from this will drop to like 22, 25. And after that, it would be really awesome to keep it. Will it happen? Will that reload happen? I don't know, because remember, in most cases, even if Bitcoin did uprise after such pullback, what they did a range, trend line breakout pattern, and only after that uprise. That means only in this case, I would become completely bullish again. That's why, my friends, let me summarize. People at this moment, a lot of people deposit a lot of money to exchanges. That's the reason why I think there could be uprise to this point. After that, it's difficult to say what will be after that, because after that, Bitcoin can create like this range and trend line and break out like it did many times, and also it can make bigger pullback, even to 70% drop. What scenarios will happen on this time, I personally don't know, but I bought Bitcoin here, and if Bitcoin will reach this area 45, 44, I will close 60% of my position to be out of any risk. And if my friends, remember, if Bitcoin will drop to this area, I will buy it again, but with the most cheapest price. Write your questions in the comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye.